Hi and welcome back to Web3 World. Today I've got something that honestly feels like a huge leap forward for anyone who spends their life buried in tabs and juggling a million things online. You know that feeling when you've got 30 tabs open, bouncing between spreadsheets, emails, and random logins, trying to track down that one piece of info? It's complete chaos. And if you're a Windows user, it often feels like everyone else has got the cool AI toys while you're left waiting. I've been there, stressed out, wishing that there was just one button to make it all easier. Well, that button is finally here. It's called Fellou CE. Fellou CE isn't your regular browser. This thing is like having your own full-time digital assistant living inside your browser, working across your web pages, apps, and even your computer files. It's the first agentic browser built not just to browse, but to actually take action for you. It doesn't just search, it works. Think of it as hiring a full research and automation team that runs non-stop, and right now you can try it for free with no invite code needed. So, what makes Fellou stand out? While other browsers and AI tools can answer questions, Fellou goes way beyond that. Its flagship features, deep search, and visual reports are completely free. Other companies charge big money for tools like this, but Fellou is giving it away. Deep search doesn't just pull random links. It logs into your accounts, reads feeds the way you'd see them, and creates a clean, cited, personalized report. Imagine a private researcher combing through Reddit, X, news sites, even dashboards you'll log into, and then delivering a polished summary in minutes. And here's the big win for Windows users. Fellou CE is officially on Windows. No more waiting months for new AI tools to maybe support your system. It's designed from the start to run agent-powered automation on your desktop, and it's fully optimized for it. Let's talk about features because this thing is stacked. First up is deep action. This is Fellou's signature move. Instead of just searching for information, you hand off actual tasks. Want Fellou to find 100 job listings on LinkedIn that match your resume and apply automatically? Done. Need market research summarized, a presentation drafted and shared with your team? It'll execute everything without you clicking through endless sites. Then there's cross-app integration. If you've ever fought with Zapier or IFTTT to make apps talk to each other, you're gonna love this. Fellou lets you drag data from a web page into an Excel sheet or a design document, all while understanding the context. It's smooth, it's fast, and it feels like magic because it just knows what you want. One of my favorite parts, personally, is parallel multi-agent operations. Fellou can spin up multiple AI agents at once, each in its own workspace. You can have one agent breaking down crypto markets, another summarizing global news, and another drafting an email campaign, all without slowing down your workflow. That's just scratching the surface. There's shadow workspace where you can see exactly what your agents are working on, step in, and adjust in real time like a manager overseeing your own AI team. There's also seamless local file power. Fellou can dig through your computer, organize your files, and even restructure your folders based on smart recommendations. Another killer feature is Agentic Memory. Your browser doesn't just forget everything the moment you close it. Fellou remembers everything you've searched, read, or preferenced and turns it into a searchable personal knowledge base. It's like having your own private research archive. For people who love structure, Fellou Home is a central hub where bookmarks, files, history, and all tasks all live in a sleek 3D space that actually helps you focus. Combine that with @Web Instant Context, just add a page in the chat bar to instantly pull it in info without opening more tabs, and you'll see how outdated other browsers feel. And scheduling, you can tell Fellou to check mentions on X, send daily reports, or auto-publish content on a schedule, and it'll handle it all. No extra tools, no reminders. I also love how transparent Fellou is about its system. It uses Sparks, its own currency, for deep actions and clearly shows you the cost before running a task. No hidden charges, no mystery about what's being used. On top of that, security is a priority. Tasks run locally whenever possible, and anything that needs the cloud uses encrypted channels. This isn't some data mining assistant. Privacy is baked in. Who should try this? Honestly, pretty much everyone. Creators and marketers can use it to track trends, plan campaigns, and post across platforms. Job hunters can bulk apply, tweak resumes, and even have a personal site built automatically. Students can pull research from academic sources, create visuals, and keep deadlines organized. Business pros can dig into platforms like Slack, Salesforce, and Notion to surface into other tools can't even see. This is why Fellou feels so ahead of the curve. It's not just another AI chatbot or a browser with the search bar. It's a full agentic system that plans, executes, and delivers results in ways competitors simply can't. And right now, you don't even need an invite. They're in early access, and everything, deep search, visual reports, automation, is wide open for anyone to try. After this early period, they're rolling out the Sparks Invite to Win leaderboard where inviting friends gets you prizes. So, this is the perfect time to jump in and see what the future of browsing feels like. I'll be real, when I first heard about Fellou CE, I thought it was just another flashy AI product. But after using it, I was completely blown away. It feels like the browser I always wanted, but didn't think anyone would actually build, so definitely keep that in mind as well. Now, if you want to see what an action-driven browser looks like, download Fellou CE, try everything out, and let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and definitely share this with a friend who could use a productivity upgrade. The link's in the description down below, so you can try Fellou CE today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.